Khubor baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi Shillong. Peit ba Menteri Rangba ya ke YJR Multi Sports Complex. Kumbalai hajar teli kam pulit balat chen en penbena Peit ba no. En let play mot tirot sing sein ubak senyaw halang bat ubak pol Dhaka. Bat pelong convocation sam certificate ke Auxilium Skills Training Center Kap Mara. Bat mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakam benya. Menteri Rangba u Konrad ke Sangma haka arpulai terik Kyllalyngkot ula play Peit ba ya ke YJR Multi Sports Complex kabadon haka Shillong YJR West Jante Hills District. Ringkat kejingedon lang kisembut Menteri Rangba ubak Prestun Tensong bat ubak senyaw bahalang dhar bat Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ubak Shaktiar Wajri ki Menteri Sorkar ki MLA MDC ki officer bat ki long kemi long kepa bat ki Samla nakani ke Shillong. Habakren hakani ke sengi u Konrad ke Sangma ula ai khuble ya barok ki badon benta ban pelong ya kani ke sengi ke bajab bat ke bapensa jengken mau. Uloong baka Sorkar tang hapok kisan sinem kalawan ra bun ki kampen roy ha ke kam sports ban penbaha penmiat ya ki office terekam jong ki blok ban chnai ki surok ki lenti ki singken nalor ki weipat ki kampen roy. Ha ke juk kopor ukermen bekendang la ban trebha shu syakmat ha ki sinem bandang wan. Uloong ru baya ke Meghalaya Games haus sinem arjar arpusan en pelong hari lom jantia. Ungit scam ru bagi Peit ba katan kin ai ke jengkershan bapura kenang bekani ke games kan long ke bajab. Ha kani ke juk ke sengi ha kani ke madan ladon ru ke jingile akai final match belatip kum ka third senyaw bahalang football tournament ha pedeng ke Sopo SC persya ke Nongkro SC. Menteri Rangba ula penmena Peit ba ru baladon ke jingekren na ke bentaban penong ya ke lempung ngile akai football inter constituency ban yeshimenta da baro andriu pauteli ki constituency ha ke Jylla. Nakaliang ke Sorkar katrang ban kedewi ki kamile akai sports ha ke Jylla bat kandang wat syuk kilat kelenti na ke bentaban kedewi ki kamile akai sports ha ki babon kiliang. 1.
We are all joined by everybody here. I also would like to thank our former sports minister, Bapaidam, who was responsible for actually sanctioning this project. Let's give a big hand to Bapaidam also. And with that, I declare this stadium as inaugurated. I'm also happy to inform you that the Honourable Sports Minister is very keen to take sports to new heights for our state, and he has a target to ensure that Meghalaya becomes #1 in sports in the northeast at least. I can assure him and assure the people of the state that we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon, which will be an inter-constituency tournament. All 60 constituencies will compete and contest. And we would want the constituencies to have players only from their constituency and no hiring will be allowed. This will allow different regions to compete, different constituency players to go to different parts of the state and see the other parts and other constituencies, compete against each other, learn from each other, and more importantly, bring harmony, peace, and unity among the people of our state. So friends, with these few words, I once again congratulate our Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, Master Dhar, and the entire department for the kind of work that has been done today. This infrastructure is world class. World class, and today the people of Natyan constituency and of Jylla Hills should feel proud that such an infrastructure has come up in Jylla Hills. maybe this is one of the best infrastructures that we have in the state. I congratulate our Honorable Minister, I congratulate our Deputy Chief Minister, and I congratulate each and every one of you on this particular day. I wish both the teams that are playing today the very best. I'm sure after 70 teams have been played, this is the finals now. I wish all the players and the teams the very best. May the best team win. With these few words, I once again wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of
Kekenhun Menteri Kabinet Jong Kesorkar Jylla Kyllalyngkot Basyen en Pendung Kampulit Kumbalai Hajar Ngut ha Meghalaya Kentup Sans Pak Ngut ha Civil Defense Pat Humgat Ubak Khubor unong ai ketin Kesorkar ulai thu ia keni kerai Jong ke Kabinet ha Kilat Pathai Khubor hadin belawai ke Jylla Ulo ongru ba Kesorkar Kyllalyngkot na kebenta kerta jeng kitu ki Bandung ha kini kikam Ya ki jenet ki jenat en pentip Enda lapeni ikjing penmana Peit leniki advertisement hakilat pathai Khubor.
There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defense and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit as decided by the Cabinet today has been fixed ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS Department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defense and Home Guards Department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment Department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defense and Home Guards Department. So this is the sum and substance of
Kesorkar Jylla ha Khuborjylla ki Menteri Kabinet ha ka arpasau trik Kyllalyngkot Kyllalyngkot banit ple yo mot sa kenmau jong utirot sing siim ha nong ba Dhaka Bangladesh ha ka khan riu trik rumpang Habai krench kilat pathai Khubor hadin Khuborjylla Menteri Ketanat Arts and Culture ba Khubor ulai thu ba Kesorkar Kalashimia karai ban ple pat ba yo mot sa kenmau yo siim tirot sing ha ka khan riu trik rumpang arjar arpasau ha nong ba Dhaka Ubak senyaw bahalang dhar, usembut Menteri Rangba, rengkat bat ubak po lingdo, ken mi khmat na kebenta Kesorkar India, bat Sorkar Meghalaya. Ban lit pli yo mot sa ken mau jong ukla kawat, jong kajat penriu khasi, ubalapha ialah kejing da kabayap kemusim hapatok, kari bilat hadhaka, kum umrau hakets
before departure for Dhaka. In fact, we have also included representatives from the media to be part of this entourage. The statue and the bus have been designed by RFL Wajri, and after a couple of PowerPoint presentations, including the visuals, this was approved by the Department of Arts and Culture, and as indicated, on the 16th, high-level team led by Deputy CM, Mr. Snyawalandhar, will be part of the unveiling program, of the unveiling of the statue and the bust at Dhaka.
So the unveiling ceremony will be held on the 16th, or
On the
the
16th.
team will be leaving from here?
No, on the 16th. The official program is on the 16th February.
Bapal, coming to the what my friend has was asking about HNLC thing. So, any special security measures is the state government arranging, because in view of the HNLC withdrawing from peace talks?
As I said, the law and order situation in the state is very peaceful, and we do not see HNLC as enemies or people who we should be wary of, which is why we said that our doors of negotiations with them are still open. And that
Kinong penyat ya ka Auxilium Skills Training Center ka skul hikai trekam ki Samla ken thai bat chenrang. Kabadon hasnong kapmara bhoirembong kalapelong ya ka jingalang sam certificate convocation ha ka arpu sautrik Kyllalyngkot na kabenta gitu kibala dep pentebit ha ka ni ka skul. Kisamla kibala yo certificate la ni ki sernot ha ka ni ka sngi kilong arpu kendai ngut halor ki pang domestic data entry operator but pongut kibala pendep ya ka pang self-employed tailoring skill. Kiwe ki pang jing tip bala hikai ya ka ni ka school ki kentup ya ka computer, fashion designing, self-employed tailoring, art and craft, embroidery, food processing but agriculture. Kisamla puli kim don kam man COA ha ka ni ka school. Haduk menta palat sans pangut kisamla kila pendep ikijing pule, bat menta kila priang sikisnong beper bantrai ban keta hala kijong kiterpeng. Kasamla Victoria Sten, bat usamla Bestarius Sten, kila yo ikikerdan bahakli du, lani ki topper ha kijing pule kijong ki. Hakani kasngi convocation uba Albinos Lingdor ulalong ukongsan, uba RS Nongbri Assistant Director, Medium Small Micro Enterprise kumusembut kongsan. Kiwei pat kiriu pau kumat kibaladon lang hakani kesngi kilong kekong Stephanie Nongbri SDO, Sister Manusha L Nonglat, Sister Jubil Meridkar, Sister Jermina Pormen, Economer Shillong Province. Ya ke Auxilium Skills Training Center Kapmara, la Beijing Lut Baro da katanat penroi kam la jong Meghalaya State Skills Development Society jong ke Sorkar Jylla.
Auxilium Training Center. Bakatmen bakani ka Auxilium Training Center kana yaki shatrang badika yaki wei pati samla ke brakran ka manten ke de lade hati nanti na bilang English.
Bani berkati kami yang dalam kali kita berdoa berfikir. Dan setiap hari temu kan dia beri untuk 9% berdoa. Marbelai marma. Kajingira dan dia kajingidon bertala. Yang sekrilang jungi Prabri ya kapanya tunduk yang ini benda hilang juga. Dalam prabri untuk kejadian sangat nong yok dia dia boleh. Boleh makan ini kejadian ini perakunya ini. Bagi sekiranya yang hilang iban bagi boleh benglah boleh berwakaf. Bagi dilong cuma tu. Abang kita nanti dalam kira semua. Dari mana yok dia dapat ni? Nong dia dalam masuk sini bukan. Kan bagi yok dia menang kemen boleh coba. Merayok dia rasa bersujud lain. Bagi kemen. Nomor boleh merayok untuk subhan. Ya perlu perayok yang sistar ada pembukaan kerja. Jadi kalau kata yang sistar kami ini bukan yang sistar itu periksa dengan apa? Memerlukan asyik dari tangkawai sistar tu. Thok itu periksa. Harga juga bagi perlu juga kalau orang lain lain. Kenapa begini yang disambut lain? Bagi apa kita bisa dipilihnya? Maka akhir dari kita, terus lalu berguna. Subhan pergi gue ke ketidak yang di istana insan saya buka hanya bawa kabar apa? Irayok ni semua irayok berapa nanti kita jadi sini. Lakon di virus itu pun, lakon cuma lagi dari sini irayok. Jadi berkat pahala juga dari sini. Ada Soviet apa? Ayok turunkan pengira untuk tajuk ini. Ada suatu benda yang ada datang. Berkamtang mulai kulai, ikut semua. Toh yang minat lain yang mah, hakiran hantar mereka, bagian long ikhlas aktifsi kemudian kurang dan lekor. Lagi long ikhlas aktifsi kemudian kurang dan lekor, baru terima lagi, kesulitan lagi, kita buat lagi baik. Don berapa mereka, don lain di proyek, don di proyek di bawah hospital. Saya dah tadi pergi kalau Pak ini mana di NEHU berhak seperti yang kita sudah tadi ibu boleh ibu berjin jual masuk oleh hati letering tempat jual pada isi kan ini semua kami masuk sekalian berkat jawab kalau tadi dan biang masuk hak vertikal apa ni ngamlah kalau ni asmai jangan nak pam nak tolong nama hai no absolutely stop kami yang seperti semua hai tak stop kami yang seperti hai baru buat jadi OKP lalu berbulan berbulan lagi long kita tipsi yoki kita kenai itu lagi long tipsi yoki kita tak perlu department jumlah server jadi berapa kali banyak kita yoki lagi long tipsi bahasa tempat yoki server jadi soklet kita kami kita step dapat tajuk ubah bersirat dapat tajuk yoki kata lagi long bawah omdan melak kini jubor mana yang kejilong bawah kejilong tu mesin yoki baru seperti ketua Ibrahim untuk ketua Ibrahim untuk bersyukur. Jadi kita katakan ini, saya mesti juga ikut sama juga macam kalian. Tolong kita nak kerja jadi macam ini kita kami untuk berlatih.
Saya menulis bapaknya.
Haka arpu sauterik Kyllalyngkot o Menteri Rangba o Konrad Kesangma rengkat bau sembut Menteri Rangba o ba Preston Tensong kilathung laiteli ki mau nongrim na kebenta ban penhe iki surok na Old Shillong New Shillong Township. Kini ki surok kilong nalum siap Belfon Maupat New Shillong Township ha Sauli na Maupat Briba sha IS Colony sha Sauli Bad ia kesurok Shillong Shading Paso na kakatsau kilometer Shadu Arpway point Arpau kilometer. Ia kijenglut na kebentaban penhe kini kesurok lamang shispak klur tenka. Lakmi lentiru bakini kesurok ken penstet ia kalik kawan jong kipai ba batkan pendunai kedeheng kali bandrung banmi nekite kejaka Shasor Shillong.
The land tenure system that we have in Meghalaya. Government alone cannot do anything. The landowners, the headman, the committee of the Shillong, you are also directly linked as stakeholders. It will be just only a dream if you're expecting from the government side. But that can be made into reality if we work together. Yang pertama, ban ong hanli. Nginyo iya kijingkerku ke bansawan. Habis ini kendiat telikisnen ke banwa. Only for this small inauguration function, laying foundation stone function, I calculated it's about 130 crore plus investment is being made by the government. Bagi wei kesorkan antara ketakik peluang amaran peluang. Bagi peluang function government. Ini kan action speaks louder. Non kam ini keren ya sulong. Action speaks louder. Kata kawan ban khot ban ong bangin ya kle ya kani kecingnya kuarti kin perkela ya kecela mekela jadi kamtam ya kani New Township investment ki bapun ba kapag sorka kelaskan sa kendik kelikisnen ya ka sekretariat but the office sorkar will be shifted. But mapi kinong ilang stong hakite ki area. Kabaning ko pide ki badon boktam. Hanne po Jylla Meghalaya. Baka capital jongi benta. Ka state capital. Omshu ha Old Shillong. Andai kandai hante upon in Shillong.
In the last 2 years, that we are for the first time seeing a planned and a focused approach to actually make this particular dream of decongesting Shillong into a reality. And while I say that, just so that I can explain, that today the presentation given by our Secretary Urban, he was mentioning about creating a better city so that better livable conditions are there. What is important to also note, it's not about just the new Shillong city or the new administrative city that needs to be better. We need to make the current existing Shillong better also. And therefore it is both. So while we create new infrastructure, new Shillong township and new administrative city outside and away from the current Shillong city, what do we do to make Shillong city better also? And hence the decongestion that we do will allow us to not only have a new infrastructure outside, but will allow us to now improve Shillong city as we see it today. And while we're doing that, I hope that all of you must have seen also, and those who did not realize much in terms of the work, that in the last 5 years, the kind of projects that are going on in Shillong as we speak have actually never been done in the past. Large number of urban projects, and you will see as we start inaugurating one after another, you will realize what kind of transformation is actually taking place in Shillong city as we speak. Now when I say that, I'm not saying that we are resolving all the problems. Of course, there are many challenges. But the pace at which the transformation is starting, that pace has never been there in the past also. And you will also see many new projects that are going to come up. So for example, when I say that the administrative city is going to shift, our intention is to shift the entire administration, the secretariat, the departments, and bring them under one block. If you can just go back to that presentation. Can I have the presentation, the second slide or third slide where you showed about the new Shillong township? Yeah, next slide. Next. Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah. So that orange section is where the new Shillong township, where the administrative city, where we'll have all the secretariats, all the different kind of government offices, everything will be under one block. And if you go to the next one where the roads, new roads are there, you can just go to new roads. That means last slide, the last slide. Yeah. Is it the one? Yeah, this is the last slide. Yeah, that one. So if you can see the two roads that we're making now, the red and the purple, are going to lead straight to that new.
But daki tu ki Khubor ngila poi siya kabakot tat haduk ng Shimbiang Khuborjylla.